welcome back to 5 Minute Gardening. Now in today's video we are going to be use only English. Yes, the today's video is gonna be in English language. It is an experimental video and we are trying to, or you can say we are use only English language in that video. Okay, this video is gonna be totally in English for you and us also, because it is going to be experimental video. You can see lots of pumpkin plant crawling over there. Okay, you have already seen my pumpkin plants in my previous videos, but in that video look at the pumpkin fruit. In that video I am only gonna be tell you the basic tips and tricks to maintain your pumpkin plant. Actually I was supposed to I was planned also and video, but for due to heavy raining from last 2 to 3 days I was unable to record that. Okay, just see, actually I was unable to find one pumpkin. Whenever I will found, I will show you. There is an at that time I have more than 4 and 5 pumpkin. One pumpkin weigh around 400 to 500 grams. So you can see the lots of overgrown there. If you haven't my seeds, if you haven't seen my old video which is on the overgrowth of the plant, you can check my description box. I will uploaded the link on that. Okay, just see the crawling of the pumpkin plant. Yes, the pumpkin plant have a very heavily overgrowth in the rainy season. So we all know that it is the rainy season. So due to this there is a lots of overgrowth in there. Okay, this is my long gourd. So I was uploaded some videos on long gourd. If you haven't seen, check the description box. I will send the link on that. So what are the tricks that you should do in the rainy season, in that season to be precise, for this type of plant? So listen to me, you don't have to do much, but at least you have to prevent your plant from unwanted insects. Yeah, if you have that type of plant in rainy season, you can find a mini crawling type of insect over there on the leaves, on the fruit, on the pumpkin right now, on your plant. So you have to prevent this type of insect. For that you have to use and you have to spray the pesticides, the powder of pesticides on your plants to prevent this type of insects. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like the video, subscribe our channel if you haven't, and please follow us on Instagram, the link in description. Follow our Facebook page. Thank you.